Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I have a new video. It's like we never done, I think, something like this. I have with me today 5 items, which one I own. Some items I purchased, some items I've been given, it's been sent to me for free, and I want to review these products. I will tell you if I like or not, should you buy or not. Okay, let's start. First item, which one I purchased, and I purchasing these items maybe for probably more than 10 years, and price went up so high. It is Donna Karan deodorant. It is $30. It's anti-perspirant, and it smells so good. I believe it's $30, but let me verify. Yes, it's 1.7 ounce, says for sensitive skin. It's made in United States. It's floral. It's have jasmine, lily, sandalwood. It's really luxury. And again, it's Donna Karan cashmere mist deodorant anti-perspirant. Why I like this, and I knew some of you is gonna tell me right now, Katerina, it's bad, it's not natural, blah blah blah. You know what, we all make your own choice, but I knew it's the best deodorant I ever own. And no matter what brands deodorant we sell in Nordstrom, it's #1. And I will, if you are really bad sweater or you don't, or it's like if you're not too much to an ingredient, you don't care about organic or natural, that's it. I will suggest this. It's a must. It's one of my favorite must-have items. Yes, I own this and I will recommend for you. Okay, next item, which one I just recently received, and I just already made a video. It's Estee Lauder Eyeshadow Palette #5, and I have right now on my eyes. It looks amazing. I love all this color we have with you. Lighter, it's like shimmer one, and it's so pretty. Then we have like it's a soft brown taupey colors, then we have another lighter color, very pretty, and we have a matte color. But let me tell you price point. I know it's also newest eyeshadow palette from Estee Lauder. Okay, and price point for this palettes $58. It's not too bad. Nordstrom.com. All this product I will list it below. You can purchase from my link. You will support me and my family, and I want to say thank you very much for previous video when I share with you a little bit about my background. I'm from Ukraine, or it's my old family there. I want to say thank you for a nice compliments, for support. Thank you to be with me. Love you more than ice cream, like I always say. Then another item. Okay, it's a new retinol product from Kiehl's. My daughter, she's 13 years old. She already used 2 bottles of this product, and she says like, Mom, it's my favorite products I ever use on my skin. This is serum. It's for lines, for wrinkles also. It's this one also, oh my god, for scars, for acne. This is why my daughter, who's 14 years old, she loves these products, and also improve firmness in your skin, and it feels so good, really good. And I know a lot of my customer who has a sensitive skin, they using this product, and I say, Katerina, I really like, I don't have any area irritation. Same as my daughter. She says like, Mom, like, because she likes retinol, she feels retinol helping her with her inflammation or with her acne, and she's like, it's not like irritate my skin. Okay, price also for 1 ounce it's $62, and for $86 it's 50 milligram, 1.7. And again, it's a very good product. If you look it on Nordstrom.com, it's an excellent review, like almost for 5 stars, sorry. And it's paraben free, fragrance free, made in United States. And also again, it's if you have sensitive skin, it's a good serum to use if you're looking for some retinol ingredient. Okay, this is, I will say, must have. 3 products we talk with you: Eyeshadow Palette, serum, and oh my god, what did I talk previous? My brain, deodorant. I own this, I purchased, and I really like, and I will highly recommend. Okay, so another item, and it's number 4. It's Estee Lauder eye makeup remover, and it's it says for all skin, gentle eye makeup remover. It's no oil inside, but I started using, I almost have bottle how I use. Will I buy this? This is, I think, last time I actually don't bought this. I actually got this for free, and it just do nothing. I washing my eyes. I want to remove my regular mascara. I'm not talking even waterproof mascara, just regular. It's still there. Even if I wash my face, I have a little bit mascara left over. I need so hard to work to remove my eye like mascara or eyeliner. I don't know, never again. And thanks God, believe me or not, I don't even recommend this product to any of my customers before. Thanks God. I do have some customers who's come and say, Katerina, I like this, and I'm like, okay, I'm not, if you like it, keep it, use it. But if somebody else will come and say, Katerina, I need good eye makeup remover, this is gonna be a last eye makeup remover I will think about to sell. Sorry, bye-bye, it's gonna go in the trash. Okay, what else should I show you? What I really like it. Okay, yes, I just got my probably I have this foundation for long time, for like probably I at least purchased like 10 bottles of Lancome Renergy Micro Lift foundation. It's basically it's a radiance foundation, normal to dry. Even it says for all skin. To me personally, if you oily, I will not recommend, but if you normal to dry, it's an excellent foundation. It's a true medium coverage foundation actually right now on me, and I like it. It's very like radiance looking, and it's 12-hour lift. I don't know about lift, but it's have a treatment. This foundation have a treatment also. What else it says here? You know, I'm not gonna even read. I know about this foundation, everything. 27 SPF, medium coverage, perfect for dry to extremely dry, radiance finish, and if you want to be a full coverage, you can just use Bobbi Brown or Trish McAvoy brush like this for foundation, and you can build to like a full coverage. But I love this foundation. It stays beautiful. It looks beautiful too. Okay, we talk about 5 items, but I already even mentioned about Bobbi Brown foundation. Yes, this type of foundation, particularly this one, it's my favorite. I have this foundation probably for 5 years, nothing happened, and I just use regular my Dove or Palmolive, sorry, because it's synthetic, and usually for foundation it's just easy to wash synthetic brush, but I really like it. Okay, I hope girls you like this video. You like my recommendation. Let me know if you like videos like this. I will start making more for you, but I know you want more makeup, but it's a little bit hard for me. Like, I go to work, I still working, but and thank you for your support, but I'm working, but I'm not 100% kind of there. I try and do my best. My customers support me, everybody give me big support, but it's still a little bit hard for me emotionally. Remember, I'm again in Ukraine. You know, I like to talk. Subscribe my YouTube channel, follow me Instagram, Katya Beauty Stylist. Love you all, love you more than ice cream, and I will see you in my next video.